that, brother?
That was amazing.
Haha, big on the driver. Mental, bro.
So have I just been given a stick and a screw?
Fucking hell, we've got the starlights as well.
Yeah, I built this, bro. It's nasty.
Fucking like a rock star in it.
Come on.
Smell that? Butt cheeks.
He's not fucking about. I like Marky to drive, you know. Yeah, so it's just set Watford Gap on your sat nav. Marky's 2 hours anyway, so yeah, he's going to be 2 hours, I think. Long old fucking chestnut. I thought we were close on that. Get through this traffic, get to Watford Gap, chill out, get some scran and go from there.
So guys, what is it that we are doing today?
Oh, we're getting interviewed now.
Where are we going?
Listen, we're off to Santa Pod for a drift day.
What is it we are doing today?
Fucking hell, Padge, man, your voice has changed a bit. Fucking hell, bro. You need that joint, bro, to get rid of that stutter.
Alright, mate, I feel it.
Listen, let's not pretend, innit? Even Amy's like, Alfie, what's going on? Last few days, bro, you've been on one. Your birthday's coming up, bro. I'll get you some CBD or something to get rid of it.
No, speech therapy.
Alfie's out here doing English lessons at the private.
No, it's been really bad these past few days. Like, I can't speak anymore. I'm getting worried about it.
Getting worried. Well, on, listen, we're off to Santa Pod, innit? Public drift day. We're off to see Marky, shoot some bits. Gonna be bear man there. We've got the 140i. We're in the XFM, but we're not sliding that.
Content farming, rubber burning, obviously abiding by every single speed limit on the roads.
My calibration's out, so if it says anything above 70, it's wrong. I've got GPS issues. It's got a stutter. It's like Alfie.
It's a bit temperamental issue. Alright lads, car's going through menopause.
It's what? It's having a midlife crisis. Well shit, it hit 50k, that's it now. It's fucking playing up.
Oh,
Fucking
no.
shout out BMW for your fucking warranty. Pricks.
Dan ben je deraan met verjogen. Jij gaat met verjogen zodat je SS die gesamte generatie is in 2000
Get the fucking way, man. We've got Qashqai way now. We've got 15 minutes till breakfast. Get up, Santa Pod. Move, man. Why are you breaking, you fucking old nitty cunt? Obviously, that was a moment of road rage. We apologise. Please move out the way, fellow road user.
Fucking move, flash it.
Yeah? You remember your mate, yeah? Flash him now! Every single fucking morning she goes to work. No road rage, baby. She's like, yeah, no, I'll be fine. Within 5 minutes, get out of the fucking way! Get out of the way now! I'm gonna ram you, you cunt! Every single time.
Why have you got to do me like that?
I found it.
Oh, we found the voice note.
I was just like...
You can stay out of my fucking lane, idiot! Why are you fucking being
Should we sat up it like this? Get out of the fucking way! Come on! Jesus Christ, man! Hurry! Fucking hell! Right, let me message Matt.
That is a 75 plate performance, just to make you aware.
It moved though. So there's method to the madness. She road raged it and it moved. I'm gonna have to pull it alongside him now. This is gonna be awkward, isn't it? We did that for YouTube's purposes. I just want to say in advance.
Yeah, strictly driving purposes.
Look at you.
He was fuming.
Do not get in Amy's way on the way to work. That is a word of warning for anybody fucking watching this. Alfie, I just want to apologise in advance for the comments that we're all going to make today. It's one of them. It's one of them.
You might have actually upset.
I don't give a fuck. Alfie, we're gonna have to have a talk today, I
There's
think.
no breaks.
This is how we're going to be like all day.
John wanted a break.
Comes in the services, disrespects the place out.
What at me?
John wanted a break.
Innit? Same big man, you good, yeah? Shout out fucking phone tech, man. Say sorry to that.
Oh, there's a massage.
10:45 he's saying, look at that, rush do. 2 hours first. What are you having, Alfie? Come on, what are you having, Rush? Take away, take away, take away. You just called Unity a kids channel? Well, you are out. Give me that fucking hoodie, man. You want it to be a kids channel so you can behave like this, you fucking nonce. Ain't it?
Oh no.
Fucking having a strop today. This is tantruming. I've tried being nice to you. Now I'm not being nice to you. I've tried. Now you need fucking telling. Behave yourself. Look how quiet he's gone now. Oh, I'm not. You're not being nice.
I'm just not doing no fuck all.
You've got a little fucking attitude on you. So you've got.
Fucking attitude, you chirp a little cunt. Fuck off.
Been getting shit all your life. The difference is we have fun while we give you shit. Yeah? Well, life is shit. It's what you make of it. Come on, Alfie. You could be like Josh and eat cabbage every day. Well, we have to call it cabbage because it's a fucking kids channel apparently.
What?
Kids channel. It's a kids channel. They're the words you just said.
Baby wipes.
Kids watch it. When we go to the skate park, all the kids like, I've watched you.
They do, you know? That's true.
Really?
Yeah, we're at Horse and Skate Park.
Oh, so it's switching mood, hasn't it?
But is it a kids channel?
But kids watch it,
And?
so we can't
Who the fuck is this guy? Like, can I slap him yet or what?
Stop being so rude.
No, he's got a silly attitude on him. He needs to stop. Sassy today, and this is the biggest day of Unity's fucking thing, and you're miles away.
Yeah.
Get your head in the game. Look, he's ignoring us now, like a petulant little 12-year-old. Fucking, oh, I'm just on my phone. In it. What's more important? Exactly, nothing. A minute ago, he goes, it's a kid's YouTube channel. If you want to make Play-Doh content, fuck off somewhere else.
Stop being mean.
Alfie can't take it, he just hits
Yeah,
the
that's what it is. Revert to type.
Be nice to him, maybe, we promise.
Yeah, we are. We try to be nice now. Yeah.
Being mean.
I've tried to be nice, but he just can't snap out of it, and we're half an hour away from the biggest day of Unity.
He's doing nothing wrong.
Don't listen to her. She's trying to be nice to you. It's good cop, bad cop. This mate. You know what I mean? If she's good cop and I'm bad cop, what are you?
I'm criminal, mate.
Oh. What the fuck was that? That poor burger sat down.
Yeah, I'll run through your nan's gaff, mate.
Whoa. She's dead, bro.
Man.
Oh, we can't promote that.
Look at him.
It's kids' YouTube. He's trying to figure out what we're filming, that's why. People are looking at us like, what the fuck's going on here? Have you snapped out your mood yet? Can we all be happy now? Are you gonna be good?
Then maybe he'll be happy.
I know, well, sometimes you've got to be like this with people. Look how sad he is. It's like my kid when I took his phone off him. Mate, like,
Why
hang
are
on.
you scratching your legs, you nitty?
You nitty bastard. Kids YouTube, sorry. We're not allowed to swear. Yeah, no, I've got another one somewhere. There is a couple. When we went through all them bushes over there on Ron's. Good times.
Alfie, come sit in the car with me if you want.
She's texting his bird like, I wish I was dead.
What did you say? What did you say? Stop. You're really not being kind.
I'm always kind to him. He's just scrammed half a tank of fuel for free while calling me slow.
In my car.
In his car. But yeah, we're not nice.
No, do you know what that is, right? That is fucking skill, mate.
It's a skill.
You got your licence, you thought, fuck this, I'm not getting a car, watch what I rock up in full M140 X3M. I think it's a winner, that really.
Yeah.
You just avoided buying the car.
Money saving tips with Alfie.
Use someone else's car.
Are you having a go around the track, Alfie, or what? Listen, they've all got fucking hydros and drift cars. We've rocked up in a 140i road car that's automatic. You know, we're in trouble. We're not going to look good, are we?
All I'm saying is glad that splitter didn't get put back on.
We left it off on purpose.
Yeah.
He's got a brand new splitter and I didn't want the guy to smash it.
I took splitter off it over a week, then I had an argument with a roundabout and I didn't win.
Yeah, I love all of my fans.
Can you please sponsor us?
Fucking bastard, that's every time now. I've done it bang on before this.
Yes. 360!
Never mind.
Let us so close!
Can we just pretend I've gone all the way around, yeah?
Obviously, all legal driving. Unity doesn't condone illegal street driving. You know, it's one of them. Right, Alfie, I'm going to be nice to you now. Come on. We've made up. Look at that. Big spoolie boy.
I've got
Pudgy,
no socks on.
give us a whiff. Pudgy, give us a... You got no socks on?
What's the matter?
Don't think gonna make it, bro. Oi, what's going on, bro? Talk to me. Talk to me. If we can come out, we'll come out. Oh no. Disaster. Can't tell you. We might not take it that far because we have to roll her back here. Santa Pod, you've not made this very clear, have you? We've rolled in, we've come for sign on. Where is it? Club shop's closed down here. This is closed. Where are we signing on? We want to drift.
We need a guy with a truck or a trailer. So we've gone to ask a trailer. Turns out somebody's already here with Marky's trailer.
Let's go again. What? 6 minutes away in that village, Caliper's come off 140.
I'm a drift band. You see, we're active. Unit on YouTube, you know what time it is. Go fucking rescue Marky, yeah? We've robbed his actual truck, we've robbed it off his boys. He'd lent this to someone. Big up Marky for lending his truck out, by the way, that's a trust. We've just gone and found it and said, look, we need it, we need to go rescue him, is what it is. So we're going to rescue him. This is what we're in. Oi. Who says they want to see this in the booth, you know? I think we should get that in the booth. Like, fuck the 140. This is bad. It actually suits you.
This vehicle?
Yeah, I think we should get one of these. Let's sell all of the M cars. Buy a drift slag and a recovery truck. What are you saying? Look at my man coming down in the X3M, bringing us the jack right now. Oi! That's a nasty X3M, you know. Oh, you unique car show? Oh, what are you saying, bro? You good?
I've heard you need a jack, mate.
Mush, I watch all the videos.
This bolt is what attaches the...
Ooh, this is a precious bolt, you know. Yeah, I think I'm probably going to lose this. We've got it, baby!
What a lovely village that we're in.
Nice village, isn't it?
Yeah.
On some kind of like little side quest, I don't know what's going on really, but we're on it. Shout out Santa Pod. There's a lovely bit of traffic in the village of Alney. I wonder what's causing this, eh? Some traffic going on here. Like he's out here calling out LLF, he's out here calling out every man, and you know, he's parked up beside the road right now, causing a traffic jam. It's not a great start to the Santa Pod season, is it? You boys in need of a recovery, yeah? Oi! Are you causing all this traffic, bro? It's long, you know this.
It's a long queue.
Babe!
Just for one car.
Marky, what have you done, bro? Fucking hell. You've caused a right jam. Go around me, go around me. We're telling the traffic to manage, you know what I mean? We're doing it. We're managing the traffic, is what I meant.
How many people have come past filming it already?
Bro, no. I did not think the first time I'd see it would be going on the back of a truck.
Yeah, same, first time driving.
First trip out?
Yeah.
Shit happens, doesn't it? Come on loose, we can't drive it. That's all. It's not broken, it's just temporarily stuck, something like that, isn't it? Yeah. Unit recoveries, you know how we do. Yeah. Oh, it looks fire though. We're good.
Hopefully the wind comes.
Don't say that, bro. Oh! Just a couple of inch. Chill. You're gonna fucking shred your tyre? Bro, it's just a caliper. It's fine. It's minor, innit? Yeah. It's one of them. Shit happens, man. See, I don't know about this shit, man. Unit recoveries. You know what time it is. Smash. Shit, wait. Okay, no, he's gonna write him off. Come on, after you. Come on, mate. Come on. Get yourself through Tesco, mate. Get the fucking chickens there. Let's go, lad. Come on, all the way through. Come on. Get a fucking bus or a lorry through there. Send them. Look at that. We're like Moses. Yeah, we've done all right there. Bad boy, this. I can't believe Marky's letting us drive his 140i. Mental that.
Except you're not driving it, you're on the back of a recovery
What do you mean?
truck.
No, come on. Don't show them that. We're not at the back of a recovery truck at all. We're trying to sneak in. Show the dedication. Make sure you subscribe, comment. Just give it some love, give it a share. Bang on your stories, you know how we do. This is a bit of a madness, I'm not gonna lie to you. Wait, is it, someone comment below, is it actually illegal to sit in the back of a car on the back of a recovery truck with no seatbelt on?
I think it is. Must be.
Green Monster's a questionable drink, you know. We've snuck in at Santa Pod.
Why do we need to do that? Because we've actually got bands.
Yeah,
right
we've got bands. Whoa. Oh yeah, I just want to say, shout out to Terry Grant, man. I don't think any of his cars are actually here, but big up Terry Grant, big up his son. If you know, you know. It's one of them, innit? Santa Pod legend. Now, what events are you going to go to at Pod this year? We're probably going to be here quite a bit, I think.
Do you think?
Yeah, I do think so. I'm not going to lie. Obviously, you've got your usuals, USC, but fuck USC, man. It's full of catheads and fucking slags in it. My days at USC are done, probably. You know, we're definitely going to be here racing. When that track's open, we're coming. We need that 9-second time. But listen, Drift Day, March 16th. This is what we're doing today. And I need to get my car in here and do some figure of eights. Let's go, baby! Is that uni guy? That's uni, innit? Nasty, that, you know. We got Santa Pod. We've arrived for the second time, baby.